Static and current electricity. Electricity is a form of energy that is all around us, and it powers many things in our everyday lives. There are two main types of electricity: static electricity and current electricity. Point 1. Static electricity. What is static electricity? Static electricity is the buildup of electrical charge on the surface of objects. It is called static because the charges remain in one place. They don't flow like current electricity does. It usually happens when two objects rub against each other and cause the movement of tiny particles called electrons. How does it work? Electrons are tiny negatively charged particles that are part of atoms, the building blocks of all matter. When two objects rub together, electrons from one object move to the other. This creates an imbalance of charges, and one object becomes positively charged, loses electrons, and the other becomes negatively charged, gains electrons. Objects with opposite charges attract, while objects with the same charge repel each other. Examples of static electricity: rubbing a balloon on your hair. When you rub a balloon on your hair, electrons move from your hair to the balloon. Your hair becomes positively charged and the balloon becomes negatively charged. This causes your hair to stand up because opposite charges attract. Lightning. Lightning is a powerful example of static electricity. It happens when large amounts of static electricity build up in clouds and are released as a huge spark to the ground. Fun fact: static electricity is also why you can sometimes get a shock when you touch a metal doorknob after walking on a carpet, too. Current electricity. What is current electricity? Current electricity is the flow of electric charge, usually electrons, through a conductor like a wire. Unlike static electricity, the charges are constantly moving, and this flow is what powers electrical devices like lights, computers, and televisions. How does current electricity work? Current electricity needs a complete circuit to flow. A circuit is a closed loop through which electric current flows. If the loop is broken, like when a switch is turned off, the current stops. Conductors are materials that allow electricity to flow through them easily. Metals like copper are good conductors. Insulators are materials that do not allow electricity to flow through them easily. Rubber, plastic, and wood are good examples of insulators. Types of current: direct current, DC. In DC, the electric charge flows in one direction only. Batteries provide DC electricity. Alternating current, AC. In AC, the electric charge changes direction back and forth many times per second. Power plants provide AC electricity to homes. Examples of current electricity: battery-powered devices. A flashlight uses a battery that provides DC electricity to make it work. Electricity in your home: when you turn on a light, electricity flows through.